If you're looking for an entry-level hard folding cover, here at Truck Access Plus, we have one that's only $7.99, and it's still really flush, sleek. It's powder coated aluminum, so it's heavy duty. It holds 300 pounds of weight on top. You get the flush tri-fold look. It's all locked with the tailgate. It uses the same cable system that all the other ones have. So you can get the bed access really easy with one hand. You just pull down, flips back. This is the full access on this one, 2/3 of your bed. It's got a buckle here to snap in place for the 2/3 bed access. This is the aluminum material with the gloss finish. Snaps right in place. Truck Access Plus. We have these in stock at our store. Free installation included. Visit us here in Phoenix.